Hi everyone, today we're comparing three heavyweights in enterprise tech, Servicenow, Pega, and AWS. Whether you're streamlining IT, automating workflows, or building scalable apps, this quick rundown will help you pick the right tool. Let's dive in. First up, we have Servicenow. It's a cloud-based platform excelling in IT service management, or ITSM. Think incident tracking, change management, and employee workflows. It's user-friendly, highly customizable, and integrates seamlessly with IT systems, making it a go-to for businesses prioritizing IT operations and digital transformation. Next up, we have Pega. This platform shines in business process management, or BPM. It's all about automating complex workflows with low-code tools, AI, and case management. Pega's strength, flexibility, and scalability. Perfect for industries like finance or healthcare needing tailored, enterprise-grade solutions. Finally, we have AWS. Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud computing giant offering tools like AWS Step Functions for workflow automation. AWS is developer-friendly, cost-effective, and integrates deeply with its vast ecosystem. Ideal for building custom apps or scaling IT infrastructure. So, how do they stack up? ServiceNow is the champ for ITSM and user-friendly automation, great for IT-focused teams. Pega dominates complex BPM with its low-code power, best for custom enterprise apps. AWS wins on flexibility and cost, and especially if you're already in its ecosystem or need scalable cloud solutions. For speed and ease, ServiceNow leads. For intricate processes, Pega's your pick. For raw power and scale, AWS takes it. Check out our charts for a quick visual, and that's it. ServiceNow for IT, Pega for processes, and AWS for scale. Which fits your needs? Let us know below, and I'll see you in the next one.